In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add Pinterest to your website. It's super straightforward and easy to do. I'm going to do it using Mighty Sites. You can see I'm building a Mighty Sites website for a catering business right here. And what I'm going to do is show you how to easily add your Pinterest feed to your website. Now, even if you're not using Mighty Sites, by the way, Mighty Sites is only $9 a month. I'll put the link down below. But even if you're not using Mighty Sites, the method I'm going to show you, you can adapt this and use this to add Pinterest easily to your own website platform. The first thing I'm going to do is go over here to Elfsight. Mighty Sites and Elfsight have a partnership integration. I'm going to go over here to the Pinterest feed. Now, what this is going to allow me to do is connect my Pinterest to this feed and then embed this on my website. And I'm going to show you how to do all that. So first, you want to select how you want it to look. So you can see there's all types of different ways to set up your Pinterest board and different layouts and things that you might like to use. I'm just going to use this boards gallery because I think this looks pretty nice. And then all I'm going to do is click on this right here button, continue with this template. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar, Elfsight is and pretty cheap after that. Like Mighty Sites is $9 a month and Elfsight is free, and then it's got like a $5 and $10 paid plan, which you probably don't even need, but it's super affordable platforms to use. It says select board, profile, pins. You can see that it looks different depending on what one you choose. I'll just choose profile because you probably want to use a profile for your business. And then it's going to open up right here in the Pinterest feed. Okay, let's just pretend this is my catering business. Ridgewell's Catering here. They have a really awesome and active Pinterest board. You can see what this does to represent their business. They obviously do an amazing job with their catering and layout. Right here, this is their username. So I'm going to go over here and grab this, and I'm going to go back to my Pinterest section and profile. I'm just going to paste that in. Now you can see it grabs the boards from Ridgewell's painting. Now I could do it as a profile, pins, boards. That looks good to me. Let's switch it up here and I can select from their boards or their pins. I really like the pins here. So I'm just going to click on publish. And now I'm going to close this. And now it's super easy, right? So all I have to do here is click on install and copy code. And then once I do, I just go back over here to my Mighty Sites website that I'm working on building. I'm going to scroll down here, super easy. I'm going to click on update section. Right here, I'm going to paste in the Elfsight code that it just gave me, and look at that. I'm doing some web development. Click on close, scroll back up to the top, click on stop editing. And now you can see as I scroll down through, now my Pinterest is going to load here. So you can see Ridgewell's. And I just need to change that part. So that's just pulling over from the other, but you just go into edit and then you can go in here to edit the content. You can see here, I would just change that over here. Ridgewell Catering, right? And then you could just change your boards that you want right here. So I could just switch that over, edit, and I would just grab one of the boards that I have created over here. And then those edits would reflect that you make there. You just save and publish them and you don't have to do anything again. It's just going to automatically reflect over here. In fact, I can just show you that. So now I click publish again and then I just refresh over here. And now you're going to see Ridgewell Catering, right? So it's super easy and straightforward to make these updates and changes and what you want it to display. So it's super easy to customize. Now I'm done. You can see Ridgewell's Catering. It's pulling in my pins and my boards. You can see all these amazing pins. And look at what this does to make my website so much more robust and involved. Now people can actually see with all of these captions and things that I've added what I've done on Pinterest to help make these events amazing. It looks like a lot of weddings and things. And you can see how this really brings life to any website too. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any tips on how to build your small business website with free and easy and cheap tools to make your business accelerate online. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll catch you in the next video.